Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a photo frame. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a reliable ruler, and a sharp craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget to pick out some fun decorative elements like paint, fabric, or even small beads to personalize your creation. Always ensure you have a safe, well-lit workspace with a protective cutting mat to prevent damage to your surfaces. This preparation is key for a smooth crafting experience. Now let's get precise with our measurements. Begin by accurately measuring your photograph's dimensions. This will determine the size of your frame's inner opening. Next, decide on your border width, adding at least 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters around your photo for a pleasing aesthetic. With your measurements marked, carefully use your craft knife to cut out the outer frame and then the inner opening. Remember, slow and steady cuts ensure clean, straight lines. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a strong adhesive to securely attach your front frame piece to a sturdy backing. This creates a pocket for your photo. Next, consider how you'll display your frame. You can create a simple stand from cardboard or attach a hanging mechanism. Double-check that all edges are perfectly aligned and that your photo fits snugly within the opening. A well-assembled frame provides a professional finish. Finally, the fun part, decorating. This is where your creativity shines. Personalize your frame using paint, glitter, decorative paper, or even fabric to match your style. You can also add small embellishments like buttons, beads, or dried flowers for an extra touch of flair. Once you're happy with your design, ensure all adhesives and finishes have completely dried. Then, proudly display your beautifully crafted, personalized photo frame for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.